How to practice free kicks in EA Sports FC 25. You first want to go to the practice area, then you want to press the options and then select free kick from the options menu. Then you can move your player into different areas of the pitch to practice your free kicks. I always find that hitting the bottom of the ball and bringing the power bar just above midway, and then the second bar, try and get it as close to the green as possible. Now, as you can see here, I'm practicing with a defender, and you can't actually change your free kick taker directly in the practice area. Now, if you want to change your free kick taker, check out this video here where I show you how to do it. It's a bug which is carried on from FC 24 into FC 25. But that's how to practice your free kicks in EA Sports FC 25.